When Canva purchased Affinity apps, they promised to release a free version for education. And seems like it's happening. If you head to the official website, then click menu on the right and go for education here. In the past, we got like the email to the salesperson to kind of give you a quotation, you kind of for your school or whatever. But now we got this free creative software for schools, and we can now download Affinity completely free from here and then activate it with your official educational account for Canva. So some of the teachers or students may have already approved accounts because they use Canva for education, and this will be super easy for them because they just log in with that email instead of creating brand new Affinity ID. So you simply head to downloads and you will have an option to download all 3 apps for Mac, Windows and also iPad. All of the links are here, and then we got short instructions how you can kind of activate those apps so you can use them after the free trial. Right now the free trial is 3 months, so 90 days, so that's nice, but after it's expired you will need to have approved educational account, the same one you use in Canva. So you can apply for the new account, give them a time to verify you, and then use that. So instead of like sign with Affinity ID, you got this little box below, sign in with Canva, and then use the email that you kind of register for your educational account. By the way, how to get this educational account, you will need an email in your organization. So in your school, you will get the email in that domain, and that will kind of help you to register as educator or as a student. So you simply sign with that and you will be able to use those apps for free. So that's really great, and I think it's outstanding move because Canva is huge. I teach in high school. All of my kids got iPads, all of them use Canva for projects like posters, presentations, flyers and stuff like that. All of them use Canva for that. If Affinity managed to transfer like 1 or 2% of those people into like more professional software to use Affinity, that's a massive success. That will like double the user base. If they manage to kind of transfer 1 or 2% those kids using Canva at school to use Affinity apps, it's already massive success in my opinion. So here it is. If you've been waiting for this, now it's available. It's maybe not available in your region. I'm not sure how they're enrolling this, but it seems like they announced that on the blog. They sent all of the emails and the website is live, so it should be fine. If you got any troubles in your region, let us know in the comments so we kind of can know what's going on. Alright, I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you next time.